Friction welding or FRW is a solid-state welding process that generates heat through mechanical friction between workpieces, which are in relative motion to one another. This is done with the addition of a lateral force called upset to plastically displace and fuse the materials. Because no melting occurs, friction welding is not a fusion welding process, but a solid-state welding technique. Friction welding is used with metals and thermoplastics in a wide variety of aviation and automotive applications.